When we make juice from ginger, we're often left with squeezed ginger fibers and peels. Instead of throwing this away, we can use it in the garden in two surprising ways that benefit our plants. First, we dry the leftover ginger material by spreading it on a clean surface in full sunlight. The layer should be thin, so it dries evenly. In strong sunlight, this takes about a week. You'll know it's ready when the pieces feel crisp and break easily by hand. Once dry, collect everything and grind it into a fine powder using a blender. This powder becomes a valuable garden tool. The first way to use the ginger powder is to sprinkle it directly around plants, especially near the base where the stem meets the soil. Ginger contains natural compounds like gingerol and aromatic oils that help repel pests. This simple powder can discourage ants, aphids, and even soil pests that target roots. It acts as a mild pest barrier without the use of chemicals. Ginger also has light antifungal properties, which can help reduce the risk of infections such as damping off, root rot, or stem rot. As the powder slowly breaks down, it adds a bit of organic matter to the soil, improving structure and feeding helpful microbes. Though it's not a strong fertilizer, the trace minerals and organic compounds provide a gentle boost for plant roots. The second method is to make a ginger spray. This can be applied directly to leaves and stems to fight pests and diseases. To make it, add 3 tablespoons of ginger powder to 1 liter of warm water. Stir well and let it sit for about 30 minutes so the ginger compounds can infuse into the water. After that, strain the mixture to remove solids. Then add 2 tablespoons of water-soluble neem oil to the strained ginger water. Mix thoroughly so the neem oil blends evenly. Pour the final solution into a spray bottle. This spray delivers double protection. The ginger extract acts as a natural insect repellent and antifungal, while the neem oil adds pest control through its compound azadirachtin, which interferes with insect life cycles. This combination is effective against aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, caterpillars, and more. It's also safe for beneficial insects like bees if used early in the morning or late in the evening. One added benefit of this spray is its ability to clean leaves. Clean leaves can absorb more sunlight, supporting stronger photosynthesis and healthier growth. The gentle coating left by the spray can also help prevent fungal spores from sticking and spreading. For best results, spray both the tops and undersides of the leaves once a week or after heavy rain to maintain protection. By using these 2 simple methods, none of your leftover ginger goes to waste. Instead, it becomes a natural way to protect and nourish your garden. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out more videos on our channel featuring organic fertilizers, natural sprays, and gardening advice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our garden-friendly ideas.